The Scan All button is our fastest option for confirming multiple pieces of the same item. Like the Type In Count feature, it's great for pre-counted case quantities or any time when it's preferable to manually verify the count versus scanning each piece. The Scan All option can be enabled by your administrator in the Scan and Pack System settings in GroovePacker. How the Scan All option works. When the Scan All option is enabled and you have more than 3 pieces of the same item, you can scan just the first piece, then confirm all remaining pieces have been picked by tapping the button that appears. The Scan All button displays the total quantity of the item required in the order. The barcode of the initial item must be scanned in order for the Scan All button to display. If the Pass button is used to pass the item, the Scan All button will not be shown. If the Scan All option is available, the button will display automatically after the first item of a series is scanned. You can either continue scanning the remaining items, or you can click or tap the Scan All button, which will mark them all scanned. Whenever you're using the Scan All button, be sure to double check that the required quantity is added to the shipment. The Scan All button is a great time saver, but it's critical to verify the count manually since each piece is not being scanned. You're now prepared to scan all like a pro. Thanks for watching.